Did you ever suck a guy off for a can of paint?
Did I ever?
Yeah.
Can't say I have.
Well, it might be a new thing that happens. $32.06. So I hope you're happy. Like, look at that's what $32.06 gets you. So, appreciate it. But look at the door now. Oh my god. See, this stuff is just paint right over metal, so I thought, you know, instead of getting the primer, this $10, we can sand it off, but it doesn't sand very good. I had a misconception. That's more of a top coat. That's more of a top coat, personally. But yeah, she's pretty well down to the wood. Maybe a couple more little spots here and there, but there's dents and things and stuff. I'm not worried about any of that. But she's a little less crusty now. We'll just give her a little "how you doing," and that'll be good enough. That's my bad door anyway. We need to find a different passenger side back door. But yeah, I don't know. I think like sucking guys off for cans of paint is going to be like a thing that happens. Now you'll see guys like trunk loads of cans of paint just getting sucked off relentless. But that's her so far. Just kind of a quick gander. Just a quick gander. Shouldn't be too bad on this side. I'll have to do a little trimbolini and a little mashapini on that side. But if you don't lift it up on the front, it wants to be too low. I don't want it too low. I want it a little bit higher up in the front here in accordance to the size of the transmission. So just shoved a 1B7 under there quick, and then give us the height. Got plenty of height now. And then of course I got my line on here, but we just cut a, you know, just in case that's not in the right spot when we're done, and then we can move it around. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Got her marked on the other side there, so where we can trim it, and then we got this marked so we can trim that, so we're not just like overlapping 3-inch of metal or whatever. And yeah, that should be pretty good for that sector anyway. And then just keep doing that. Probably be a whole bunch of more pieces up into here, but friggin' truck's just junk anyway. Friggin' bashed in firewall and friggin' spray paint. Eh? I do have these Turbski cans, but you can't even get them here, so those are right from friggin' America. Flat protective enamel, Rust-Oleums, boys. But yeah, that's not what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the friggin' the Kryloms. We're doing the flattener and the Kryloms. Try her out anyway. I mean, maybe it'll be dick, but I just put a little bit of this flattener in the Kryloms. Friggin' works good. But yeah, like I say, this door's the friggin' Deckard one anyway. I was just trying to, you know, it says paint over metal, right? So I was like, you know, well, rather than spend $32 on a can of friggin', yeah, but I mean, you don't use that much. It's just a little bit, a couple spots, you know. You don't need to prime here. You just got to prime like where it's bare metal and where it's all lumpy and dicked and stuff. But it should, you know, fill in a little bit, but not craters, you know, just a little scratch here and there, maybe a little bit, not too bad. But anyways, I gotta take this out, get some trimbolinis, and then yeah, we can start welding her in. It'd be awesome. Well, so even though this truck isn't worth the time and efforts to fix it and stuff, but yeah, I mean, just wasting my time, basically, what I'm getting at here. So I got the doghouse friggin' started. Anyway, I got to fill in this little corner here, but I saved the piece that we cut out of there just for beknownst factors, because it's a lot easier to do than I use a piece cut out of than make it up on your own beknownst, right? So we'll take that piece, we'll trace it out. So I'm gonna fill in that multifaceted friggin' Ackerman, the multi-layer, multi-facets. But we just like traced it out onto a hunk of the 16 gauge there, and you know, so we should just be able to wallop her right in the center, maybe give her a little manipulation. We got the oxygen for the torch now, so as we can heat her up and just pound her into submission. But this side done, friggin' welded in. Of course, I'll grind the high spots down on the welds, but everything will get schmealed anyway, so friggin' good to go. And then I'm gonna try to you know, make sort of one panel, maybe 3 panels, 4, yeah, it'll probably be 4 panels to finish that off or whatever. But yeah, I might cut that little flapper. There's a little flapper dingleberry right over there, so we'll probably cut that off and different things. But yeah, I've caved in the firewall, so it's, the truck's basically scrap now. So caved in the firewall. What else did I do? Oh, spray painted it. Idiot. Fucking stupid, dumb idiot. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Sorry about that. See, because we have the actual shape that it needs to be, we can sort of come across, give it a couple of them maybe. Right, just start trying to sneak up on her a little bit. Look at that. 3 swaths. Like, look, buddy. 3 swaths, okay? So you gotta just simmer down. Might take, you know, a long time, but just think of the quality times spending with crawdad. Like, look at that. We're basically there. You know, a little bit more manipulation. But that's easy, boys. You just gotta do it. That's all. Couple swats, couple checks. Maybe another swat of peony over here. And then we can get it tacked into position, and then we can get the torches and, you know, really get the friggin' stovepipe out, you know. Might need to shrink that a little bit, but probably good enough to try. Let's bring the wire brush too, and we'll wire brush some stuff. It'll be awesome. It'll be awesome, you guys. Okay? We can spend time with crawdad. You never know, boys. Nobody's promised tomorrow. Tomorrow, the whole world could blow up. Somebody's. Oh, we're likely spam. Hello?
Hi, my name is Jane from the Voice Activation Department. We're calling because your business isn't appearing on the 5 major voice platform. So we just need to verify a few details. Are you the owner by any chance?
What are you talking about? Who is this?
This is Jane from the voice activation department.
From
and my
the
company
voice-
is VSO.
From the voice activation department.
Yes, we focus on helping businesses like yours optimize their visibility on voice search platforms to attract more customers. So, are you the
Aye.
owner of Real Voice Excavation?
I can't even believe my actual mind. Holy shit. That's amazing. That was truly diabolical. Look at the fitment already, boys. A little Trembolini, but we can take. And it sucks that a guy on YouTube told me that my truck's not worth no time and effort, so I might as well just pack it in, boys. That's terrible news to find out. You know what I mean? Like you're thinking, oh man, like, you know, I probably only got $700 into this truck, and it's got a Cummins and an NV 4500 into it, because I'm a wheeling and I'm a dealing, and plus it was my dad's truck for 28 years or something. Plus Crawdad's been coming over and helping working on it and stuff. Plus, you know, guys are asking 20 grand for ones that aren't even done, like just like original friggin' trucks and stuff. So yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. I should just sit on the chair and watch Tip Tops. Hey? Maybe even lay a couple comments about how they're not doing it right and stuff. I'll watch like other people building stuff, and then I'll tell them how they're not doing it right. How they're just wasting their time and they're just dumb goofs. Eh? Now I could sit there and fucking my chair and feel all proud and good of myself. All proud and good of myself for what I did. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But I appreciate you nonetheless, you know? I appreciate you. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Good Lord. But, this is how dick I am. Like, the steering wheel and steering is coming out. Like, I'm gonna take that out. Alright? But instead of taking that out so there's all type of rooms to work, I cram my head under there, catch my head, bang my head, fucking rip my helmet off, fucking fuck around, and then later on we'll take the steering wheel. Oh, recording. Fairness better turn on. But that's her. So she getting late. Crowd will be here tomorrow, so we'll get the grinder and poop out and stuff. And, you know, just knock the highs off on that there. And like I said before, it'll be covered in schmealer anyway. It'll be just like this. Good enough for inwood, boys. Hey, truck's not worth fucking fixing or working on anyway, so might as well just throw it in the garbage, to be honest with you. Drag her around back, smidge her up. Scrop's down big time too, so I'll probably only get $35 for it. Idiot!